YouTubers. I told you I was gonna come back with the rest of the procedure with making the chicken breast stuff with bacon. So, okay, this is how the sauce ended up coming out. So I don't want to leave you guys on red. So this is the spinach, the artichokes. You gotta season it with pepper and red pepper flakes. Um, and the cream cheese is all mixed in there all together. Then, okay, oh my god. Then you gotta, okay, hold on, just give me 1 second. I made a mistake. Head to the big knot. That's what we're not gonna do. I fucked up by accident. I gotta. Oh damn! I forgot you guys were on there. Sorry. Yeah, I made a mistake real quick. Yes, you gotta put olive oil, duh, in the pan. See, everybody makes mistakes, right? Nobody's perfect. So we're going to lay it out. You don't want your chicken sticking to the pan. So I'm just going to replace these little suckers back inside. But this looks like a little neater appearance. I think I need to take a picture over just a little bit. This looks a little neater than it did earlier. Okay, yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, so give me 1 minute, y'all. Now, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Can't really see. Yes, see that? Doesn't that look gorgeous? I mean, it's a little furry looking because I got big chicken breast by accident. So, but it's still the same. Still doesn't matter. Still going to come out the same recipe. So you have 4 chicken breasts stuffed with bacon right here. Okay, so we're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And you're supposed to let it bake for about, they said supposedly 35 minutes. So, but being that it's larger chicken breast, I would say leave it in for like maybe like 45 or so until the bacon is crispy. So you just continually just checking on. If you're a cooker, then you know when something's done around the time it might be completed. So I gave you guys part 1, cooking session with Princess. So you guys got part 1, this is part 2, and I will give you guys maybe a part 3 afterwards, let you know how it came out. And I love you when I'm out. Deuces.